a great choice today with the 2018 Chrysler Pacifica. The Pacifica crossover features the driving attributes of a sedan and the utility and space of a minivan or SUV. The Pacifica has top-notch safety scores, an upscale interior, and a spacious cabin that leaves room for your family to grow. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power liftgate, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, electronic stability control, power windows, security system, rear window defroster, compass, fog lights, trip computer, remote keyless entry, brake assist, overhead console, panic alarm, Sirius satellite radio, tachometer. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.